another video. Today we are adding a new mod to the Corvette Z06. So far we only have a couple things. We have the wheels, probably the biggest and most noticeable mod, the T37s. We also lowered it on some aftermarket lowering bolts, the Eibach lowering bolts. It lowered it pretty good. It's not bad. It actually could go lower, but it's gonna rub. It's already rubbing a lot. But that's pretty much it. There's no other mods on the car. The car's completely stock. We have so many new mods on the way. I'm just waiting on them to get here, guys. But I cannot wait to start modifying the C6. I love this car so much. It's just way too stock. But not for long. We're about to go crazy on the Corvette. And today we got a new mod, like I said, from our guys over at Extreme Online Store. Check this out. As you guys can tell, we have a carbon fiber front lip. Like I said, this is from Extreme Online Store. Shout out to them because they have carbon for all types of cars. When I say all types of cars, not just Corvette, bro. They got BMW parts, Ford parts, Dodge parts, JDM parts. They got it all, but they got a lot of Corvette parts. So this is just the first of many mods from them. Just stay tuned. We got a lot more mods on the way. But yeah, huge shout out to Extreme Online Store. This lip is sick. It's full carbon fiber, of course. It's actually the ZR1 style front lip, so the ZR1s actually come with this. Z06s come with practically nothing. But as you guys know from all of my builds, I always tell you guys that every car needs a front lip. Without a front lip, the car just looks naked. It doesn't look aggressive, and it just looks weird, bro. I don't like it, bro. Same with like the BMWs. My F80 doesn't have a lip right now, and it's so ugly. I don't even want to drive it until I put a new lip on it. Yeah, the very first mod, well, one of the first mods we're doing is a front lip. The must-dos to every single car, in my opinion. Right now, the car already has like this plastic one. I think it's like what the Z06s come with. It's super small. Like, look how thin this is and how wide this is, bro. Like, look at that. You can already tell how much more aggressive this one is, like how much more it sticks out. So it's also gonna be very scary because this car is very low, bro. It's already scraping this lip. I think I already like bent it a little bit right here. You can kind of see it, but yeah, this car is very low. It's already scraping on everything, which I'm a little scared because this lip is way more aggressive and it definitely sticks out a lot more than this. I'm gonna try to put it on today. Wish us luck. Hopefully I can do it. It doesn't seem that hard. I read the instructions. It's literally like all the factory bolts. It's already pre-drilled. Shout out to them. And it should be perfect fitment. So let's go get some more tools. All I need is a 7mm, which is the only socket I don't have. Should be easy. Hopefully, wish us luck. And hopefully it doesn't just fly off on the freeway when I hit 100 miles per hour. You already know, guys. I'm waiting for the freaking exhaust to come in. That's what I'm waiting for too. Because this car is way too quiet. We got the 7mm. I think this is all we need. Alright guys, just like that, I took off 12 bolts. The 13th one I think broke. I mean, I think that's part of the bumper, that part right there. That's not good. That means the middle's not gonna have a good support, I think. Damn, we're gonna have to like self-tap it or something. But look at that difference, bro. Look how big the carbon fiber one is. That ZR1 style. It's gonna look so much more aggressive, dude. And now that looks ugly. That looks super ugly without a lip. Ew. All right, let's get the new one on, put the bolts, and like I said, we might need to add some more because this looks like we're gonna be missing one. Also, I already added the 3M tape, so that's just extra reinforcement. Again, I just hope it doesn't fly off. Check it out. It looks so much better, bro. All right, if I can install it, you guys can install it because that was probably the easiest install I ever did. I didn't need to drill any holes, nothing like that. I literally used all the OEM bolts that came off of the old lip and the holes are already pre-drilled into the lip. So that was perfect. The only problem is I did snap 2 of the bolts. There's one right here that snapped. The middle one that was stripped when we took off the previous lip. So the lip definitely needs some like self-tappers or something. I might have to drill some holes. I'm just gonna probably self-tap it because it's the easiest, but just self-tap it up like this so that it does not come off because the middle is a little saggy because it's missing 2 right here. Definitely not gonna drive the car very fast until we get this fixed. I just don't have a jack with me and I can't get under the car. I have the screw gun and the self-tappers, but it does not fit, bro. The car's too low. But other than that, it's really not gonna go nowhere. Like, it's solid, bro. It needs to be like that. But it looks so much better, bro. And it's carbon fiber, so who doesn't like carbon fiber? It just looks so much more aggressive. To be honest, it looks lower. I'm definitely gonna have to be careful now because I do not want to break that lip. Such a nice lip, dude. It sucks that like carbon fiber is so nice and then it gets like scratched and stuff. Hopefully not though, but yeah, this car does sit really low. Like I said, just wait for the rest of the parts that are coming. We have a lot more carbon fiber on the way. But huge shout out to Extreme Online Store. This lip is sick. Got the whole Porsche lineup today. Sheesh. But today's gonna be lit, guys. We're in the R8 again. I feel like I've been driving this car all the time now. I don't even drive the other ones, bro. We got all the supercars out because today there's a big supercar meet at a Porsche dealership. We're about to head there right now. That is why there's a lot of Porsches too. SF90. What the? Oh, I think it's a tire rubbing. Sound like a little bird. I think it's sick. The McCleasy. This one's hard. One of my favorite McLarens, bro. The 765, and it's red. It's like the perfect color. But look how sick it is with the 4 exhaust tips and the roof scoop. Sheesh. I think all he's missing is like the center seats. Center seats, and this will be crazy. This is nice, bro. Doesn't TJ Hunt have one of these with BBSs too? These are like the real race spec BBSs with the cage. Oh my god. God damn. So many Porsches. This one's nice though. Damn, matching with the bro. Got matching cars. That thing is hella loud. My boy Landon might have some competition today. This thing is loud. If you guys know, that one is ridiculous, bro. This one's too loud. What do you guys think? Is he calling the cops? He looks like it, huh? My boy's on the phone. Dude, they're so loud, all the Porsches. Hopefully they let me in, because I'm probably like the only non-Porsche. The Corvette. That thing is sick. Yeah, let's see if they let me in. A Porsche dealer with all Porsches and one R8. Like they parked me way over here with nobody, bro. Everyone else went that way. They're letting all the Porsches go this way. Hey, they let a Ferrari over here. I think the Audi's not rich enough, guys. Damn, there's so many Porsches though. Oh wait, I think they are kicking him out. I think they told him to go the other way. That one is nice. Woo! They got every spec here, look at this. Rich. As you guys can see, there's a lot of Porsches. I can see why they didn't let me in. Damn, that one's nice. Signal green? Signal green is fire. This is another one of my favorite colors from Porsche. I think it's ultraviolet, right? I think. I feel like Porsche really puts a lot of detail, bro, on like their colors, their interiors, all that stuff. Even on my R8 is actually a Porsche color, if you guys didn't know. It's called Oslo Blue. That's what the Porsche color is called. But then Innositec remade it into a petrol blue. But yeah, it's based off of Porsche colors. Porsche just makes the craziest individual colors in my opinion. I think BMW has even taken a couple colors from them. Like look at this, burgundy, blue. They got every color. That's a pretty sick spec. White with red accents? I have not seen that before. Oh, you got the matching interior too. That is clean. Bro, I want an RS so bad, guys. You guys don't understand. I'm so tempted to just sell all the cars, sell everything. I gotta sell the Rolex too and just get one of these. Nothing else, just one GT3 RS. Imagine, that would be insane. This is a dream car, dude. And right now, I'm telling you, there's just such a hype around these cars. I feel like last year, 2 years ago, everything SVJ, you know, that was everyone's dream car, SVJ. But now, I feel like this is everybody's dream car. I feel like it's the new SVJ. Now this really looks like Skittles. They got all the colors. GT2 RS, rich. Bro, the GT2 RSs are expensive. And this one looks like a crazy spec. He got the red headliner. Damn. These are turboed, by the way. Super fast. My God, a perf. One of my favorite Huracans. And the man driving it, he's the one who sold me my first Rolex. Rich. What's up, G? You don't drive it enough. He looks scared to drive it. Guys, he never drives his car. He literally just keeps it in his garage, but it's so sick. Damn, it's the perfect spec too. One of my favorite Huracans, guys. It's just so clean and sleek. What's up, G? Good. Damn, the interior is sick. Oh my God, bro, that is the perfect spec. This is a sick color too. What is, like a green? I think it is like a green.
It looks from here.
Yeah, this is a sick color. Check this out. I seen this thing online. Bro, this is the real Batmobile right here. Oh my God. Revolta with the full body kit. Which not a lot of people have put a body kit on this car yet. It has a carbon hood already too? Dude, that is insane. Oh, the interior, huh? Wow, that's the perfect spec.
Perfect.
Red interior. Sheesh. Oh, it has a Batmobile logo. A Batman logo. Bro, it really is the Batmobile. And then what, the daily?
This is the support machine.
Honestly, these are sick too.
In the back.
I actually really like those.
They're 4-seaters, right? Yeah.
Yeah, they have bucket seats in the back. Bro, the whole car meet is looking at it. He literally shut down the whole meet. Look at the lights. That's so sick. Has to be like the sickest Lambo I've ever seen. Holy crap. Wow, bro. Wow. Look at the hood. It's all matte carbon, red interior. You guys already know, if I won the lottery, this is what I'd be buying.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.